Hi everyone, this is Jeff with Aches and Pains Prospecting. I just started prospecting, I guess, July 2020, and had some luck. Spent a lot of time out in Uwharrie. Probably 99% of it is just getting outdoors and spending time in nature. I started making some videos, and I know they're pretty rough right now, but still working on it. One of the things I like about prospecting is there's a lot of equipment that you can make on your own, and one of the things that I wanted was a Miller table. And let's see if this works, if I can flip this around and show you what I got. This is Utah Avalanche's design. He's got a really nice YouTube channel if you like building things, and it works pretty good. I've used it once. I did find some extra gold in my cons, so right about now I got to total up what it cost me to build. I think I got about $60 in it. A lot of it was just a hose. The pump was free, the wood was free. I bought a little bit of PVC for it. So I'll just show you a clip on how it works. If you like making things and you're somewhat handy like me, go ahead and try it. He's got an excellent video out there. His name again is Utah Avalanche. Builds a lot of cool stuff. So give it a try.